and for the excellent address. Moving forward, I would like to invite Mr. Saurabh Trivedi, the co-founder and director at Bodhik Ventures Private Limited. He is an investor, mentor, and business consultant. He's a member of the Asian Patent Attorneys Association India Group and a member of the Center for Education Growth and Research, CEGR. His expertise includes entrepreneurship building, consulting to universities and incubation centers, strategic partnerships, and is also an IPR expert. So I call upon Mr. Saurabh Trivedi to address the participants.
Thank you, Garima, for this wonderful introduction, and thank you to all the dignitaries. So this conference really helped towards the thinking of the patenting or intellectual property rights. So I'm going to start with what you would say probably the innovation. Innovation is very crucial to development and deployment of the technologies. So rightly said, when it's a start from a startup India, Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So when PMO announced these kind of certain initiatives where they thought of to promote the innovations in the Indian mindsets and just going to start the business. And when we say the startups era, the new innovators comes or the budding entrepreneurs who wish to start something on their own innovative concept, which is in their mind, or some kind of the solutions which they think is very innovative, very novel. They really like to protect it, but they don't know. There are lack of awareness in the ecosystem. In India, I'm talking about the India, there are lack of awareness of this intellectual property rights. They do have wonderful innovations, they do have wonderful ideas, but they don't know how to execute, how to protect it, and then commercialize it. So there are lots of institutions which came up with lots of schemes, subsidies, just to create some awareness, just to give some benefits for the innovators. Even the last year, I think in September, last month, Patents Amendments Act came, where educational institutions come up, or the fees has been reduced for filing the patent application, just to create more innovations, just to do more R&Ds on the idea side, on the concept side, and to protect. Protection is really important because you are going to create something very disruptive. That is why you call something as an innovation. So that is primarily required. And even this year's World Intellectual Property Organization theme as well defined that IP, intellectual properties, and SMEs towards ideas towards a market. So this intellectual property a catalyst for your business growth. So like-minded people, or you can say the innovators, because previously, if I'm talking about last 10 years or before 10 years, probably they don't hear about these patents, but very low awareness is being there in this ecosystem. But nowadays, because in 2016, Startup India, Make in India, and other startup initiatives comes up in the picture, then they know that this patent rights is something to stop my competitors and just to create some competitive edge in the market. So this intellectual property gives a lots of benefits, and these kind of conferences really gives them enhancement on their innovative ideas towards the protection of their rights. And when we talk about the ecosystem, the key stakeholders, MSME, startups, students, universities, they all get benefit out of this intellectual property right. I'm just talking about the intellectual property rights as a whole, not only relative to the patents, copyright, designs, geographical indications, they already have a lots of potential. Even when we talk about the commercialization aspect, might be you all heard about the one very good example where we thought of Google buy a Motorola's patent portfolio, less than $3.5 billion. So this intellectual property, this patents gives a lots of values to the innovators. So this intellectual property gives what do you say, probably the chances of getting higher possibilities of funding, and every investor, incubation center, acceleration centers, they do have all their mindsets that how to pick up a startup idea, pick up the innovations, and then accordingly give them the support, which services are being the incubation center. So that is it from my end on this conference part. And I'm happy to support all the innovators in terms of protecting their ideas. That's why we started this company, Bodhic Ventures, the intellectual. We just thought of that we are going to give all the supports to the Indian innovators in 2017 onwards. So all the best to all the participants, and thanks a lot for all the insights from Dr. Khanna, Dr. Arora, and Mr. Vinamra Mishra from MSME. We are aware of lots of schemes from MSMEs, the Startup Indias, just to promote this innovation and protect under the IPRs. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging words. Now, I would take the opportunity to call upon